How to fix iPhone won't turn off. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone won't turn off. Now, first of all, you need to understand that there might be a different reason why this sort of issue has occurred. So first of all, what you could do is it could be a software glitch. So you might encounter unresponsive touch control, frozen app, or experience the issue after updating or installing a specific app as well. Likewise, it might be an unresponsive app or system crash itself, or maybe a battery issue. So what you want to do is to fix it, so you want to check the iPhone power level. In some cases, an iPhone might not respond to shutdown commands due to extreme low battery level. So ensure that your device has an adequate amount of charge before attempting any troubleshoot method as well. Apart from it, what you could also do is hard reset or force restart. If your phone has been stuck and not responding to any actions, then one of the best way to resolve this issue by resetting it. So by force restarting, its power cycle will be broken and you will be able to turn it off afterward as well. However, to do this, what you have to do is you want to hold on to your side buttons for maybe a second, for maybe a minute, and after you've actually hold on to your side button, that should be able to help you out. If you're unable to do it, so what else you could also do is you could also turn off your iPhone with the AssistiveTouch. So what you have to do is basically to start, you just have to tap on the AssistiveTouch box on the screen, and this will provide various options. So you just have to make sure to go and select device, and then you want to go ahead and click on lock screen. And once you've actually done it, so you want to slide to power off. After you've done it, so it should be able to help you out. If not, then what else you could also do is you could turn off your iPhone with Siri. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.